Hey you guys, welcome to our channel. These are the things you will need for your video guest book. All of these items will be linked in the description, so make sure you check it out. So connect the red to the red and the green to the green, and then you will need to connect your USB to your USB part on your lightning cable. Connect the iPad charger to the iPad. Next, I'm just showing you a video of how I created the welcome screen for the photo booth. And you can easily group items together by pressing the shift key and selecting the items you want to group together, and you can move them at the same time. I duplicated that because I want to make another screen for the people to see the instructions on how to use the guest book. Now right now I'm animating the welcome screen by selecting everything and then clicking on Magic Animate. I chose the recommended style, elegant, and I'm going to save that one as an import MP4 video. So just save that page as an MP4 video. Now I'm going to add the welcome screen as well as the start screen for the photo booth. Now as you can see, the wording is behind the video button. So I did go back to Canva and rearrange those items. You see how the video button is overlapping the words? You don't want that you don't want to leave that like that. So that's why I went back and edited the template in Canva, and now you can see the video button is by itself. Now your start screen, the one with the video, you want to put that on virtual attendant. So that's the one that you save as an MP4 video. This one you saved as an image, a JPG or PNG, and then you add that to your background. So this is how it's looking so far. So this is my first time setting this up, and I did have to figure out a way to get the cords to go through the back of the photo booth. So you'll see that in just a moment. The battery part off, and I'm going to put the cord through there. This is how it's looking so far. You can keep the base if you would like and maybe add a table, with a tablecloth beside on top of it and keep the base with the phone. Or you can just hang the phone on the side with some type of hook to limit other things that you have to take with you. This is my video guestbook demonstration. Tap the video button. The sound is coming through the phone. Congratulations, I'm so proud of you all. I wish you the best. So I only give the guests 20 seconds to record their video. They can still share it the same way they would share their pictures and gifts and boomerangs and all those things. Now I didn't add stickers, but if you wanted to, you could have added the sticker button so that they can add stickers to their video. It's really up to you how you want to do it. Congratulations, I'm so proud of you all. I wish you the best. All right, so that was the actual recording that I shared to my phone of the video. You can add a photo booth template frame, a filter. You can add an intro video with the video of the couple saying something. I'm not sure how you want to do it. You can add stickers for the guests to choose. But again, the mic is coming from the phone. That's why the sound quality is so well. And the audio, they can hear the playback through the earpiece of the phone. All right, so our August freebie will be that video guestbook welcome screen. You can find that in our shop, www.pose360rentals.com/shop. Again, it will be a free template under the photo booth template section. But again, this is our shop. We have photo booth templates. We have freebies every month. We have templates you can purchase. We have photo booths for purchase with backgrounds, backdrops and contracts. We have backdrops and banners. You can order your double-sided backdrop directly from us. We have a variety of different backdrops to choose from. We have party favor templates if you're into that. As well as welcome signs and other resources like Instagram business cards, all those things. So thank you all for watching. I know this was a highly requested video, so make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you like videos like this. Thank you.